Hi, Lisa from Less Stuff here. I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder that you don't need to fill so often. So I've used a little tiny bottle, only because that's all that there was in the neighbour's recycling bin. I've cut the top off, and I've cut a... have I cut a slit? Yeah, I cut a big slit down there, almost to the bottom. And then this one, if you find something squishy that you can put inside, you can get a knife in there. You want to cut a V shape, and then a hole, and then directly opposite a V shape and a hole. That's just to save your fingers because it's a lot easier if there's something squishy in there. And then you want to get your scissors and cut down to the bottom in that one and down to the bottom in that one. Then we're going to push those little V shapes back and you can get your thumbs inside there to do that. Right, next step is to put a stick in it. Sorry if I keep going off screen, it's difficult to do this sideways. And if you pull down, it will go into those slits and it will hold nicely. So that's for the birds to perch on. Then this bit with the slit in it goes in here. Then what I've done is used another plastic bottle and just cut the middle bit out and made two holes. So I've made a lid. And that, actually, can I get to my little holes? No, I'm going to cut a bit of this off. Just to make it fit better. I think all plastic bottles are slightly different sizes, aren't they? So if you do this, you might want to play around with the measurements a bit. So I'm going to use the very top of it there. So in it goes down there, rests on the stick. Then I've got my other middle bit of plastic bottle with two holes in it. I'm going to get another stick, pop it through the hole. Probably doesn't want to play. One hole. Now where's my hole here? Oh, excuse me, can't see over the label. There we go. Come on. Just going to have to encourage that hole a little. Two holes. Yep, need a bit more knifey encouragement here. Three holes. Once it's done, you'll see how easy it is. It's just a matter of getting the holes to work, really. Three holes, four holes. And this, genuinely, is not the right thing. If you had a hole punch, that would work just as well. But I don't have one handy. And that goes there. So, that's your little roof. And there's your bird feeder. Can you see that working? You can attach it to the trees with strings there. Make sure that bit is level. Oh, the birds are all ready for it. I've run out of bird seed, so we're going to see if they like rice. I hope they do. There we go. Loads of rice down the bottom, loads of rice at the top. You could fill that right up if you wanted, but I'm not convinced they like rice and I don't want to be wasting it. That's it. I'm just going to get a bit of string. Quite proud of myself with this one. I can see there's little birds in the tree waiting for it. They know it's coming. There we go. Bird feeder that doesn't need. Give it a tap if it's not coming down. Bird feeder that doesn't need refilling. If you make one, please let me know. You can fiddle around with it. Obviously I've made this really quickly and it's kind of difficult because I'm having to scooch to the side a bit so that I'm not in the way of the camera. But I reckon that's a goer. I'm going to put it up in the tree and we'll see what the birds think of it. That's me for today. There'll be more stuff about reusing your plastic coming over the next month.